Manitoba Harvest in Winnipeg, Canada produces hemp extract, meal, powder, snacks, supplements, and other hemp-based products sold at over 16,000 retail locations in 22 countries. The company installed a variety of Flexicon conveyors, bulk bag dischargers, and bulk bag fillers to improve productivity, product quality, and cleanliness throughout the plant. The main ingredient, hulled raw hemp seed, was previously vacuum conveyed to mezzanine-level screeners but is now transferred dust-free by two Flexicon flexible screw conveyor systems. Each pair of interconnected conveyors discharges the hulled material into screeners that separate the hemp hearts from outer shells. Enclosed within each polymer tube is a flexible screw of special geometry for the application. According to the company's process engineer, the screw conveyors are gentle compared with previous methods and provide consistent feeding rates, solving prior problems with material rat-holing, clumping, and slippage. Mobile Flexicon conveyors positioned behind these bulk bag frames transfer screened hemp hearts into bulk bags to supply downstream processes. Packaging lines are fed by Flexicon model BFC bulk bag dischargers that either elevate hemp hearts using Flexicon flexible screw conveyors or gravity discharge directly into an in-feed scale positioned above the packaging line. Cantilevered I-beams with a hoist and trolley load bulk bags without the need for a forklift. The high-integrity connection between the bag outlet spout and the discharger creates a sealed system that prevents the escape of dust throughout the entire discharging process, while FlowFlexor bag activators raise and lower opposite bottom edges of the bag at timed intervals, promoting material flow through the bag discharge spout. This BFC model bulk bag discharger at mezzanine level hoists bags from the plant floor below and conveys hemp hearts to a ribbon blender for the addition of protein powder and other ingredients. As with all Flexicon flexible screw conveyors, the screw is the only moving part contacting material and is driven beyond the discharge point, preventing material contact with seals. Below the ribbon blender on the plant floor, an operator attaches the spout of an empty bulk bag to the inflatable spout seal of a Flexicon twin center post bulk bag filler, which then inflates the bag to remove creases and allows material to gravity discharge from the ribbon blender above through a dust-tight chute into the bulk bag. According to the Manitoba Harvest process engineer, Flexicon equipment has greatly improved the quality of the company's finished hemp heart products, reduced material loss and manual labor during processing, and virtually eliminated concern over dusting or the introduction of foreign objects. Manitoba Harvest says its hemp hearts offer a simple and delicious ingredient that adds plant protein and nutrients to any recipe or meal. See the full line of Flexicon bulk bag dischargers, flexible screw conveyors, and bulk bag fillers at flexicon.com.